this to here, you could stop here like this, and then go back into it if you wanted to add an extra little zinger in there. And if you're wondering what I did, I just did a behind the back cap, and it was this guy, cap from what would be clockwise in front. And then I went back into the 2 petals. I'm in underhand. I do my lockout. I do my first barrel roll. I do a cap. I stop back in the 2 petal. I continue the barrel roll and go back into the weave. A little faster. Lockout, barrel roll, cap, cap, lockout, barrel roll, weave. And then lockout, barrel roll, cap, lockout, barrel roll, weave. Lockout, barrel roll, cap, lockout, barrel roll, weave. Lockout, barrel roll, cap, lockout, barrel roll, weave.